Hello students, now in this video also let us solve some more examples on moments and Pearsonian coefficient of skewness and kurtosis. So our next example will be the first three raw moments of a distribution are 2, 25 and 80 respectively. Comment upon the skewness of the distribution using appropriate measure. Now here the raw moments are given to us, so means to comment on skewness we need to find central moments, and using the Pearsonian coefficient of skewness we will decide how the distribution is about the skewness, right? So solution, here what is given to us? Given that mu1 dash raw moments, first three raw moments, so mu1 dash is 2, mu2 dash is what, 25, and mu3 dash is 80. Now what we have to find? We have to find, or we have to comment on skewness. For skewness we need beta 1 and what? And gamma 1. Okay, so to find beta 1 we need mu2 and mu3. Now these are the central moments. Now you know mu1 is always 0, but we don't need mu1 here. Therefore what is mu2? Mu2 is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So it will be 25 minus 2 square. So it will be 25 minus 4. So it is 21. And mu3 is what? Mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. So it is 80 minus 3 into 25 into 2 plus 2 into 2 cube plus mu1 dash is 2 plus 2 into what? 2 cube. So it will be 80 minus, this is 150 plus 16. So this is minus 54. Okay, this is 96 minus 150, so minus 54. Now we will find beta 1. What is beta 1? Beta 1 is mu2 cube, mu3 square upon mu2 cube. So this is minus 54 square upon 21 cube. So this is 0.31487. Now from this, now we will find gamma 1. What is gamma 1? It is under root beta 1. What is under root beta 1? Will be under root 0.31487. So this is what? This is 0.56113. Now here we can say here gamma 1 is what? Minus of 0.56113. Since mu3 is what? Negative. Mu3 negative, that's why the sign of gamma 1 is also negative. So this gives the distribution is, therefore this says distribution is, we have to comment on distribution. So this is negative, so distribution is negatively skewed. Is negatively skewed. Negatively skewed. Now the next one, next example is that the first four central moments of a distribution are 0, 9.2, 3.6 and 122 respectively. Find values of appropriate measures of skewness and kurtosis. Also interpret the results. Okay, solution. Now here central moments are given. So given mu1 is 0, mu2 is 9.2, mu3 is 3.6 and mu4 is 122. Find the values of appropriate measures of skewness and kurtosis. So measure of skewness is gamma 1 is root of beta 1, that is root of mu3 square upon mu2 cube, that is equal to root of 3.6 square upon 9.2 cube, and that is root of 0.0166. It is 0.1288. Now, as gamma 1, since gamma 1 is greater than 0, this says the distribution is positively skewed. The distribution is positively skewed. Now about kurtosis. So measure of kurtosis. So what it is? It is beta 2 minus 3, gamma 2, it is beta 2 minus 3, that is mu 4 upon mu 2 square minus 3. So it is 122 upon mu 2 square, means 9.2 square minus 3, and that will be 1.4414 minus 3. So it is minus 1.5586. Now, as gamma 2 is less than 0 implies the distribution is platykurtic. It is platykurtic. Okay. Now the next one. Define Arthur central moment. For a frequency distribution given that beta 1 is equal to 0.5, beta 2 is equal to 2.5, mu 2 is equal to 2, find mu 3 and mu 4. Solution: Rth central moment of a frequency distribution is mu r is equal to 1 upon n summation I fi into xi minus x bar raised to r, where r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, where xi is equal, xi is what? This is ith class mark, where fi is ith class frequency. X bar is mean of frequency distribution. Mean of frequency distribution, and capital N is what? Summation fi over I, whatever i's are given. Now another thing, another next part, given that, what is given? Beta 1 is 0.5, beta 2 is 2.5, mu 2 is 2, and we have to find mu 3 and mu 4. So as beta 1 is what? Mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube. So this gives us mu 3 square is equal to beta 1 into mu 2 cube. Okay, that gives us mu 3 is equal to root of beta 1 into mu 2 cube. So let us substitute their values. We get mu 3 equal to root of what? 0.5 into mu 2 cube means what? 2 cube. It will be 8 into 0.5 will be 4, and that answer will be 2. Similarly, and what is beta 2? Beta 2 is mu 4 upon mu 2 square. So this gives mu 4 is what? Mu 4 is this beta 2 into what? Mu 2 square. Beta 2 into mu 2 square. So this gives, this is equivalent to 2.5 multiplied by 2 square. So that is how much? It is 10. So beta 1 is, from beta 1 we can find mu 3 is 2 and mu 4 is what? 10. Here let us write mu 3 is 2 and mu 4 is what? 10. This is our answer here. Fine. The next one. Similar question again. For a data set, beta 1 is 1, beta 2 is 4 and variance is 9. So question is that find mu 3 and mu 4. Same kind of question is this solution. What is given to us? Beta 1, the value of beta 1 is 1, value of beta 2 is 4 and variance is given. Now you know variance is nothing but mu2. This is nothing but what? Mu2. So the question is left for what? Mu3 and mu4. So similarly, like a previous question, we have to solve it. As beta 1 is what? Mu3 square upon mu2 cube. So from this we will get, this gives us 1 is equal to mu3 square upon mu2 with us, mu2 cube we have to do. So 9 cube. So this gives us mu3 is equal to 9 raised to what? 3 by 2. So this is what? How much? This is 27. So this gives mu3 is equal to what? 27. This one we have to take on this side. Here it is a square, so we will take a square root of this part. That is 9 raised to 3 by 2. Now again beta 2. What is beta 2? It will be mu4 upon mu2 square. So this gives 4 equal to mu4 upon beta 2 is 4. That's why I put up there. And mu2 square. So 9 square. So that gives mu4 is equal to 4 into 81. So that is 324. Therefore mu4 is equal to 324. Okay. Now next example, the standard deviation of a distribution is 5 if the distribution is mesokurtic. What will be the value of, what will be the value of fourth central moment? So solution, given standard deviation sigma is 5 given to us and the distribution is mesokurtic, means value of beta 2 is what? 3. This is given to us. Gamma 2 is 0 means beta 2 is 3. And what is asked? Mu 4 is asked to us. So standard deviation is 5. That means, that says mu 2 is equal to sigma square, that is equal to how much? 25 with us. Therefore we will take beta 2 is equal to, as beta 2 is equal to what? Mu 4 upon mu 2 square. So this gives us beta 2 is how much? 3. 3 is equal to mu 4 upon 25 square. So this says mu 4 is equal to 25 square. So 3 into 625. So that is 1875. Therefore mu 4 is equal to 1875. This is our answer. Now the next example. The following data are given to an economist. The data refers to the length of life of tires manufactured by the company mu1 dash is 0.5, mu2 dash is 19.672, mu3 dash is 29.258, mu4 dash is 856.502. Now question is that is the distribution Platy-Kurtic? Justify your answer. Solution. Raw moments with us. We will find central moments and then say about is this is Platy-Kurtic or not using beta 2 and gamma 2. Okay. So given mu1 dash is 0.5, mu2 dash is 19.672, mu3 dash is 29.258 and mu4 dash is 856.502. Now we will find central moments for beta 2 and gamma 2. So that we need mu2 and mu4 only. So mu2 is what? mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So this is 19.672 minus 0.5 square. So this is 19.422. This is what? mu2. Therefore this is. Now mu4 is what? mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square plus minus 3 mu1 dash raised to 4. Alternate plus minus are there, I forgot. 856.502 minus 4 into 29.258 into 0.5 plus 6 into 19.672 into 0.5 square minus 3 into 0.5 raised to 4. So this is 827.3065. So beta 2, we need beta 2. What is beta 2? mu4 upon mu2 square. So this is 827.3065 upon mu2 square is 19.422 square. So this will be 2.1932. Then gamma 2 is beta 2 minus 3, that is minus 0.80679. This is less than 0. So this says the distribution is Platy-Kurtic. Distribution is Platy-Kurtic. This is the justification for that. Now the next one, for a frequency distribution, mean is 10, variance is 16. Gamma 1 is plus 1 and beta 2 is 4. Obtain the values of third and fourth central moments. Also comment on the nature of the distribution. Nature of the distribution. Solution. Given mean is 10, variance is 16, that is nothing but mu 2, gamma 1 is 1, beta 2 is 4, and what is we have to find third and fourth central moment, mu 3 and mu 4. Find mu 3 is and mu 4 is what? Okay, so we know gamma 1 equal to root of mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube. That gives us gamma 1 is 1. So 1 equal to, this is mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube. That is mu 3 square equal to mu 2 cube. And mu 2 is how much? 16. So this is 16 cube. That is 4096. So this gives mu 3 square is equal to 4096. That gives mu 3 is equal to how much? 64. This is the square root of it, so that will be 64. And now beta 2 is what? Mu 4 upon mu 2 square. So that says mu 4 is equal to beta 2 into mu 2 square. So beta 2 is how much? 4 into 16 square. So this is 4 into 256, that is 1024. Therefore mu 3 is 64 and mu 4 is 1024. Now gamma 1 is positive, so the distribution is positively skewed, and beta 2 is 4, which is greater than 3. Gamma 1 positive implies the distribution is positively skewed, and you can say gamma 1 is equal to 1 greater than 0, and gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, that is what? 1, that is also greater than 0. So this says the distribution is leptokurtic. The distribution is leptokurtic. Okay, this is about the questions. Now in next video we will see some more examples on a same one again. Thank you.